Hello everyone, in today's video we are given this interesting problem. We have x plus 1 over x is equal to 3 and we have to find the value of x to the 18th power plus x to the 12th power plus x to the 6th power plus 1. So let's get started. First we're going to cube each side of this equation. So we're going to have x plus 1 over x all cube is equal to root 3 cube. Now let's expand this one. You're going to have x to the third power plus 3 times x to the second power times 1 over x plus 3 times x times 1 over x to the second power plus 1 over x to the third power. Right? And this is equal to root 3 cubed is the same as root 3 squared times root 3. And from here, we can simplify this further. We have x to the third power plus, we have 3 here, 3 here. So from this whole thing, we can factor 3 out, right? So we're going to have 3 times. Now we see that this x will take away this square. So we are left with x plus this x will also take away this squared. So we are left with 1 over x plus what we have here, which is 1 over x to the third power, and this is equal to, now from here this square and this will go, so we have 3 times root 3, right? Now we see that this term and then this one are the same powers, so let's group them. So we have x to the third power plus 1 over x to the third power is equal to, I'm gonna write this one, 3 root 3 minus this term, right? So we have 3 times x plus 1 over x. Right. Now we see that what is in the parenthesis over here was given in the question. From here, it is given as root 3, right? So we're going to have x to the third power plus 1 over x to the third power is equal to 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3. And we see that x to the third power over 1 over x to the third power is equal to 0. And from here, we're going to multiply through by x to the third power so that we will move the fraction from this equation. So we're going to have x to the 6th power plus 1 is equal to 0 because we multiply through by x to the third power, right? And straight away, we can see that x to the 6th power is equal to negative 1. And we will call this equation 1. Now remember from the question, we have to find the value of x to the power 18 plus x to the power 12 plus x to the power 6 plus 1, right? This x to the power 18, we're going to write it as x to the power 6 or to the power 3 plus, we also write this one as x to the power 6 or to the power 2 plus x to the power 6 plus 1. Now we know that x to the power 6 is equal to negative 1, right? So in place of this, we're going to put negative 1. So we're going to have negative 1 to the power 3 plus, here is also going to be negative 1 to the power 2 plus, this is also negative 1 plus 1, right? So we have negative 1 plus positive 1 minus 1 plus 1, and this is equal to 0. So guys, I hope you found this video useful. Comment down below if you have other method to solve this problem. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video.